Yeah, I think it's sad watching the movie that is playing NPP for each kind of for. Oh, that's a way a comic movie no movie, and as they continue to show us the movie, one thing that's significant is nipa koso egu n'anim ase telling Ghana for who here say obadwen kwasa wo de tumi be kwa komo mo ko nipa no mo kasa no utie kasa de matimi say ebi wo ha adwen mu ye ha nsem no mo ka no utie bi ho atimi say nipa we nye nipa say wodi nipa anim whole lot my culture say NPP assistance now nipa no mo contest nyina nipa me free say enka obetimi lead party ne Kwabena Agyapong. Because on there somebody, when it comes to some of these things here, at least you cannot associate him with, but the party doesn't see those things. So we see some na koswa, yeah. So we have obi to say when they start here, get we almost the saying, Adwoa Safo. So we see some buy no dinner radio so TV so okay can ye nyina na utimu say sabi adwene ya adwene mu no, and these are people who lead. Omanya, you should be worried because so we see some now kana or say or not person Kennedy Agyapong or to abamana or no corner now one corner nima family and friends in Tino your friends Kennedy manager and obi one mu don all can same way you are not speaking against the person now who your campaign woman amano because you are affirming the fact to say or no so family and friends so never be a wujina wo campaign man there to their family and friends no so what are some American say and these are some but me anyame nwanwa because obi a follow the politics no kan fa so ye ne nema and free bi mu okotena America ojina TV so ye interviewer and then oka America for brofo ochena oka UK for brofo just say wutimi say odi ne ho agro like I say obi a ne ho te no and onim the oil na just opportunity be na ba be MP. So I think say enyame nwanwa say do me kwabre MP for that free because you cannot be playing and toying on your fence as a critical seat we didn't say munune na se for. So I think say the oil ni nyina reflect who she is and me enyame nwanwa e kire say make da bia me kan politics no Atonsuom, and you know anybody at all can just pop out of anywhere and then take the stage and do whatever. And it take over now, man, for take over. Who soon so and here and I drink out to Ghana for because if one elected responsible people to helm of affairs to manage their affairs, this is what you get. That is why I keep telling people, say if you go to a failed state, there are no. Your friends are victims. We are all sponsors and accomplices because the person is there by the virtue of the fact that you gave that particular person a power. But what's not say share na dwene mu hu say nipa no competent enough because nemo more than a DTV so some mo keke nyina kira say be adwene mu ha. So what's in China sir if you are watching and then another person also comes in. You saw Kennedy Agyapong akora house when ka kira I alert Becky can say your friend say obi no obi adada and for me I think say is the biggest form of increase someone me who be down my life. Adwoa Safo Ken whoever she chooses to sleep with is not your business. That is not politics. You understand? So and as some now can hear increase them to the sense say your friend say braba chire mu a that be na ko hu so obi da obi so on na and these are people yet yesima campaigns seeking to convince people. And is this political party a serious party? Candidates in are they serious candidates? Because if somebody who speaks for you can go on TV or go on and call say, oh, I'm on for another, do you have evidence? I also be that, and I just at such a sensitive case. Do you stand on air? Now you can't answer way. Because I dream you know and I'll prove everything to you. Then Kennedy Agyapong goes on air. Kokachira man for say Atachia didn't attempt. Na Atachia no or di one grand some of Becano. Na your friend is saying on any share Heathrow Airport. And some more come for Akufo Addo home. Betty and say way aqua with Achirada. See, yeah, we are president. The secret you learn as my better cultural pain. And this is a person who cannot even hide anything. Because when I touch it doesn't matter. Who decided to bury it at the time. This is not the time for you to say it. It means if you are president, it tells you that you are not fit, you are not competent. Because you meant to be metana, every I your phone show. I'm not going to be can send bebre. One can't want them though. A damn no benya sempera batara. Oh, Obiara who's a winning answer. Obiara because a winning answer because you don't do that. And some yakan in confidence and you stay in confidence. The very moment I wow Baba and say we reveal you know. you are not just revealing to spite that person, but nyansa ni bi ate ho, who say what revealing no, who nyansa. Because when in the whatever that happens, you know, this is you are not supposed to come on TV and because say, and I wouldn't be and some are catching me who did you at them. But Jumma be a general who's a what you moha. And such person was the Antama or Maya Kunda and Famano. When you go and learn state secret, no, America. One of the American president, by almost when you know more, or Sano into the White House told him the history of, or said the whole weekend in the TNA. Because the secret you learn, and you need to die with them. You understand? And the president now, yade akonya kwa komano no, otchere ni bufua. State secret ni nyina okeka. And as no binya sama. That is why I'm saying that we need to put competent people in place. You understand? And these people, they are just ridiculing the NPP as a political party because they are just advertising nothing but ignorance. They are advertising incompetence, naivety. Just say you sika na sabe nsem hunu bi na aba na yenkonko dimbi. And they also tell you say you are making sika. Sika before politics, you know. Na mu ye billionaires. It is this cheap politics that has brought you money because some of you were just out big government contracts. Now, if you say, I'm not saying so can you out on tomatoes, you know, your term government contract, na dia mana. Nko do betimi aye bi nie. Ebi akwanka de aye chen wo de no. So that is a very stupid justification for anybody to sit somewhere and say, and I'm to pick up the my way ordinary no. So we teacher na wo charge anka obenya sika akwa pick up the akwa bo bi. Businesses na mo ye no. Your first say the panel say free America about Chrome ha air business or betimi to pick up 20 acha mo bi. Unless you do other business there. What I say? So this nonsense of my brother that then I say for them no. These are all nonsense. I'm not sure say any reasonable person or buy into some of these things. So I think they need to focus on their strength because a good saying leader and you obia or thrive on his strength, not on the weaknesses of his opponent. Because come tell people what you're good at, what you can do. But this back and forth trading, because this is a political party that suffered the most humiliating defeat in the history of this country. People want once again to connect with you. And then this is the kind of campaign you're doing. You are dispersing all the intellectuals. They are more foot soldiers and nibaje. Because that is what they want to appeal to their base. But besides, can you convince any sensible person out there to come to your party? Because you are making anything. Because when you wait that somebody is accusing of being when you now men are mayor one kidnap that Nippon make it that comment because the following day no that's all permanent money through party because
no Kennedy Agyapong that
good because Nippon who accuses say oh no be other party to the extent say he even mentioned President Akufo Addo and mentioned Bawumia. So Oka Sansem when you know Nippon who accusing say oh yeah ho no we boss no so on now and the when I wouldn't attempt.
Shouldn't we blame the journalists who allowed it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
yeah. I was very embarrassed because you don't entertain such nonsense, and that is the part of your journalists. Sometimes because the very moment a Nippon be and say oh can't answer no. Mr. Adwoa Safo has the right. She can sue because once you give her that oxygen of publicity through your platform, no, she can sue both of them because no, even the person was just playing around it, not seeking to stop the person. Now, Akufo Addo, former president, you may not like him, but to say oh no, Biada, Bawumia, you may not like him, but to say oh no, Biada, when you don't have evidence, you are just assassinating their character, and there's a person who is also looking for president. Adwoa Safo is still in the public space. And you have no evidence to prove this allegation. And for me, that's very embarrassing. But Yana Mekano, what's in China? What's in China? Who had a movie? You see jokers in the movie who are just fooling themselves around, embarrassing themselves in the eyes of Ghanaians. And that's Uncle for when you never see a chum who about Bishaka Ghana for Momo. Abra, the remnant of what they just did. Are quite obvious. Ghana for Kai. So I think there. Cool heads must prevail in the NPP. Nippon or Baka Umbeti, no more or Matuna Baby. Said President Kufose, they don't engage him anymore. And now here, Council of Elders, so called Council of Elders, and so on. Obia taking position. So it's a see. Obia respect Obia and a party leadership Nankasa Obia Obebi Ojina. And there's no neutral person or commanded that respect and aura. I'll bet me calling these people to order say enough of this nonsense. Focus on your strength, campaign, and let people vote for you based on this. Yes, men can't say a bin see that. Yeah, go into elections. in some bebreba, but this thing is taking a nasty twist. And for me, it's really embarrassing. It's not advancing anything. You see, these are hard messages. Obi and Kancho, but some of us will tell you, say, it's really embarrassing. And I think that the party leadership, na party leadership, boy, there. You have a general secretary in Casa, some people are bebre, Uncle more year, and the party chairman, so I have been so much who they are. So, and then when they depart in them, I think the NPP need a serious reconstruction. Sabaya Betimia remaining as a competent political party. We go to parliament, the AC one, so the same thing. Because they are finding market and then Choboy of opposition way, you know, and the 21st century and find your politics. So Choboy politics now, yen sabotage and you say, no, people will not take you serious. So I think that leadership, our more party, more champion, in front of Matana party in panel, should come and calm things down. Because if they allow these hot-headed individuals to continue this buffoonery, the party will be in pieces. Because the TV so and Kwasake can kwana ya be waiting so my question is ya koto banana pana ya be ni tisuno. So party at the 2 million man say only the party now. What will you do? Will you go and campaign for Nipana ya be ni tisuno? The also onu obi ada so also no ya koto abamana will you campaign for the person? What are some American? So I think that all these things are very nasty and they are really first, you know. Now your politics and a tribal on tribal ethnocentric familiar kind of way, no, and you know, your son, you know, nonsense will be swallowed. But these people don't know, sir. There has been a radical shift from that particular line of politics, and Ghana for are reasonable. They look at issues, and they are now having a debt to GDP are reduced. Or inflation reduced to 6.3. Or share your friend is saying $1 yeah, I stable. These are near my back Ghana and Yakuma I buy not or yeah the papa and to mean from a support to mano. They make issues a better writing. Not somebody sitting at the trenches embarrassing themselves even in opposition because what lose power man for expecting and cat. Moba tenase na ma George just to ensure say cool hair will prevail no but the cost nyina a party leadership na kofa because you better catch us say we are good political analyst you know very well say we don't go into elections after such a humiliating defeat a party no structures nyina fracture we no you come and say yeah top up approach it's unreasonable so if you do that this is what you get because say people are already better. Yeah. The course were behind no in some shaman for and the who are the exhibition of that in some shaman for bono. But you as a sensible leader as I say, oh, let us do bottom up approach. So by the time I patch here we know I will do top one now of course I think for the top one this is what you get. So for another day you will transmit the chaos at the top to down. At the lower level, and there will be no stability in the party. This is just common sense. But Obi and why not just say Obi? Because me Mubia minti Obia kind of Abraboni and no more the power no. Sanya man no more pediable position and they are not learning anything. I am very disappointed in the NPP as a political party, to be very honest, because I expect that the NPP that I know in the past, now even as much as you like them or you may not like them, no, they will opposition party no more can be constructive and criticism in as a forum. By another, I Goro Boys party and say so you don't even know why they lead the party, you don't even know who is competent enough. And the candidate they are selling, no, Obian who have a hand anymore, Yabenya Hotos was a Medigana Shannon, because Bawumia in the track record at the ho economic messiah. Area now or your first or IT who advert, baby, or Jennifer economy, and under him. The economy of this country suffered the most humiliating defeat in the history of this particular. Your friends say down 10. Chroma say rating agencies, Bosnia Bonen as a forum. Nothing was working for us, and the verdict was given by the people of this country. So if you think you can polish this person and bring him back, you're only fooling yourself because Ghana for Omokato no mubia, Omokai Bawumia. Yeah. Nearma why how he messed up with the economy, and they told us that our economists and the literature teacher and a historian, so almost say Mahamadu a historian, communicator. If these two people can turn the economy around within 1 year, it means that what economists will soon do fast work. What has happened American? So some of these things, not now we had that deep constructive analysis. Now you come to the realization, say they are really embarrassing themselves, and for me, I am not surprised, but I'm very disappointed. Say even in opposition, the NPP cannot realize this. That they own their supporters. Nema we will cause when you food soldiers and mama boajo. But if you think that food soldiers in the way no elections are sabi what give more because Ghana has a cultural no political party and the core supporters and when in the power you always need the neutral people in the middle. The average Ghanaian are reasonable. Obey me, I convince Obi, amana to abama. Nipa ya more budget, so already they are already converted that you don't need them to convert anybody. You understand? But can you appeal to reasonable minds out there to come to your aid? You cannot because say Obi Net2 TV so not say oh Adwoa Safo Ken Agyapong or ne candidate you other or just say Obi abe who say win nim nyansa. Obi abe who say agro body so because Ghana for at this time say agro politics they people are looking for real development. So I'm cross the politics now anyway ya na me to dan my way and na way you say na nyem cross sama ya yeti wi ase ye papa mo bi nipa na ono ye papa na kogina bonten koka ade a me hu ni say yem cross sama wasase so no oboa obi a let the person na oboa no nka ho asem anya wo na kogina TV so radio so na me boa we na nti den boa na oboa no wo de wunim dipa do oboa boa wo what asem Womwa obi nkogina TV sin koka say me na meboa no let the person come so free say waboa na mpa let the person come and tell the world say oh me wa ha because ya na boa me then animonyam beba also but anya wo na wabo obi na akogina TV so koya advert solo ni nam hoy kura he ne ka me na mtoma no minimum ko nidi obi a hu so ye kwase ni what asem na make so I think say this kind of politics no yetimi mature ne morphe from here na Ghana for adwenu mu kosora enema bi wo ho na nipa no ka ube who say nipa no enyanyansafo because me when I sit back and I watch TV sometimes mitimitie nsembia 2 minutes na majai because I'm able to profile say nipa no kasa na nimyansa so listening to the person is a waste of time. That is what I do because you listen to people for something. You don't just listen for nothing. You understand? That is why the last time I say you become what you think. What you think, that's what you become. But to think, you must have been exposed to something. So what you watch is very critical. Idea will get exposed to. That's why I always admonish young people. So when you go to the social media, don't get entangled with those stupid things. A man 40 social media or your mood terminal. You might think that you are just watching, but about reflecting within you. You'll be doing those things naturally because you've been exposed and the mind is tuned to it. Yes, so that is how it is. So I think so you take politics seriously. Now we begin to see say for nipa na nipa na politics are more money nkra omo ye nipa omo ye nyansafo a these people on the political stage will also adjust and do things right. So nipa no mbe gina so mbe kasa ye ni nyina no bia begu na nim ase from Adwoa Safo a ka say ono ye fan say Kennedy Agyapong be ye we a onya we no it is not about you and no crack say it's not even about you because about na Ghana for akoto no they are not going to vote for Obi because we be in position. Position be for Obi who be. What I say no. Nti adwene mu ha, adwene mu ba. You will not even talk about yourself. What I say. The people around you that will be your focal point. But to say oba me kwagire nanima position what be pen. Oko parliament dey na akwa oko gu wani ma sete. You even say America ye pare. It say kra adwene nko na woni tim. Kokwatena ba bi na amanfo ehia of parliament come and represent your people. Now on the social media TikTok na se for no. Who tim say kra adwene no aso. What I say na obi so gina ba bi no nso to abo bam say no can some I see a catching the panel as for me, I reflected the current NPP. The senior, I'm a catcher say, even Kwabena Agyapong as a candidate or Nam Hona, Sabi, or Nuna, Sanse Munu, wouldn't me associated. Don't even see talking to you. That's not part of that. Exactly. That tells you, say, party, are jumping over reasoning. And I'm on them. Because I'm not an MPP. Kwabena Agyapong, I'm not a sympathizer. But as a normal neutral person, me when the problem with only problem say, oh, and to move away from all these things. Let me give it to this gentleman. At least he's coming from the old block. He has no alliances affiliation to what happened. It's young try and he will give the party a new face. But Enam said common sense is not in the party. They don't even see him. Or Mugun says you are a French person. Hey, Ghana. And politics is an beba. So Obia interest. Just an beba. So I think say
for Bawumia the anyway.
A moody over here.
Welfare database.
Oh, yeah, now near my way, we see ya mount film what Chiama vice president. One kai welfare. Economy no to tip and some no. Economy no to the sense ya nam near Bobosia. Bosia no cry ya koba almost on my be. All the inflation could do saying somewhere 53 and some ever 24. This is Bawumia track record. What the vice president for 8 good years. Akufo Addo seeded you with authority to manage the affairs of this country. What happened? It was very embarrassing. So I think it's much ado about nothing. My culture said Bawumia this was a profile now. You have a profile in we know. One vote through 38, about 27. And they should not even waste their time because he has demonstrated nothing but sheer incompetence. While demonstrated clearly say, yeah, they are not a turn keke. But you can't say, Nipa edi to me a man on your juma. The track record na economy no jano hono. It got to a time of for 4 good years, Dr. Bawumia could not speak about the economy. He was advancing IT. It got to a point we are seeing na your friend is saying Ghana card. Mobile money interoperability, a single platform, a vice president. These are common things even ministers supposed to speak here. But that was his crime card and all the economy was in crisis. He could not even speak about the economy. So what is his essence? Welfare there.
Ken Ofori Atta said no Bawumia.
Na Bawumia Samra na Ken Ofori Atta said no. Na vice president no he. What was his role? Because vice president and a finance minister now in the realm of affair, who is supposed to be powerful. So it means that if Ken Ofori Atta was powerful, you were just a CC running around. No, you are not a man of yourself. No, can you be asked Ghanaians here for 2 million around your mind? No, or China you didn't get through some. I pack you to stand behind the bench. And so I make us some more common, you know. And they think that they are speaking to Ghana minds.
Yeah.
But I'm telling them, say Ghana for can seminar, a kota dream, manipa analyze it. Who's a seminar can yansa woman to back as we know. None pana profile, it as a winning yansa and as a winning yansa, and be a winning yansa or Kasai taking it serious.
Who say a lawyer for a GM NPP candidate in them, and the NPP for Nankasa a bussy. Now, the dad one, as Uncle Fu, you know. Not the one people no more because I say all of a sudden Bibia Sasa Andra Echino one more track case in the sono. Na Justice Court Poaman Yoni Kulendi Amadou Tanko and the Seed. They were empaneled by Justice Paul Bafu Boni. Abeka Zabra Power Ura Justice Paul Bafu Boni. A before you and I'm one lawyer for a deal who's here and Richie, ever catch a papa no. One more enter the vetting movie. Adaya Oba Omebua Oba be the bidding of the government. And into vetina, any parliamentarians are yet to about more, say Omunko Giant name. Now Omonto to papa no, Kamumra Mompeswaso, Nabumbechi questions, a Oma papa no. Or more the Omope can't get before. Number between 2028. Eka say omo nkotene. Ana majority no vetting no koy. Now, ni na nu ani nansa ana pandaya sem ya just as a friend the plan brew as a Bruce. Eka say yenkoy reverend. Anya afenyo ne minority for a friend central for catcher yin nyina say judiciary no kangaroo enye papa omo chese krono fitai ni ade wo mu corruption na the judge ne ye na all satisfied the paymaster. So the justice is now Supreme Court here and rich no almost satisfied with paymaster sana. So on sem kwada adwene na doso ye body politics wonti no omo ye nioma bia wo mo enrich ya na wo mu di judiciary atem na nra echi ayi enrich ya na omo sanso abegina ho. Yadamwasi. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? But me there, sir, and the woman who said, sir, just a judiciary, no, after your mother say, Omo be yedma na obi betumi criticize judiciary na NPP before. Yeah, mu be near bet me about the can. Because more NPP dear. Mummy who say to me call 12 o'clock. Not 3 you could take judgment. Now you implement it. Timothy Munisa to me. So I said. As someone yes, see and transfer and young one. It's answer would be court on notice. Get a or 7 in some crater.
Yeah.
Onya semono entumi nkoso ejobu ko e na omso mo nsewo NDC ni no onsewo na the Supreme Court beka de obe ya ne se ene mo ntwentwen so mu hold on because ya nsewo no na so 30th no so ba electoral commission de kwakọ election you know said the efie nyansa be kire wo mo ane se electoral commission twentwen so ye the assembly question 13 enru ro ma kire kwan ye mfa 7 depart enu anyi o ana yenuano mo ababe bon se ba ye se de be ye china omoba no mo sa be ye ya na o twa wie na o twa na betra ka se nyinam na ya we se court no bi kwan mo ono menye hwekura so be contest esa so de sika koyero ofa na so ye be hwe abrabo me hu abi se fi so e kompa fitai
say global info analytics research commandancy
no why global no go te amo ye frefre go for cheda o go twe Christmas be kombo ya na gala bo mo ti asrasi o why global dan go busa dan go twa 2 days o baba be ka to say and this will take it oh and where you one we ya say ye go to advice global one global ya to about and out global what the comfort of your room on grand can just global I don't think court no buy more because and this will win that not because of omumreni emre bia ni munsem this is the time for the NDC we be sick not buy election but man share out NDC can take it I'm telling you it's as a wave no wind of change no and that ekuta momentum no oh mo side and until echiwe bia anya dey anyhow ya ne be twan sa 13th November na court na asisi a yehu se afani afa nyina age ondi no omo de omo se betuda yansa so nyankofo gya mo ma ka se omo ye kangaroo this time omo kasa the forces of conscience will change them that is omo pese mu dia adwin di agro se de omo ye we ya mabo mo abaso no de bebe bia no mo mo abaso na ye nyina no ye nyede ye nkoye NPP also my de Adwoa Safo
so there's a contest no my she
Adwoa Safo ene Bawumia Campaign amenka se meme ben support to Kennedy Agyapong politics
yeah
fact opobia omuyusu ni di ala na bropa is number 1 na satan ye ka chenkofu we no montiase but I think say what time no mo say some of us in the street say tutu ba ba kwa ni a say we had the baby omo ho say ampade ni ye ka no eno kre but see Bawumia camp no send your mafasa election will be a Kennedy Agyapong. I don't think that his life will ever be the same. Yenya wo mo free sa camp na ye say abranti we friend cook. Yeah. Obeka che say Kennedy wa bodam ye bie ni triso. Na me hwa abranti ni tipa esi ni triso wa.
No kasi ya bi obi
so. Ase kura no a. Me tumi hwa sa na say that how did the NPP reduce is I hear so your constituency chairman.
Constituency better no.
Chairman me tia say chairman.
Sure.
Oh, but you are not functional literature. I want to qualify more than that. Now, if you say, Mammy Chow say, the current situation of the NPP, they say, the national chairman of the party on one of the contestants say Anthony Swaba, Stephen Ayesu team. What was you have watched your letters here to marry the party in here? Chibinoka say what you feel. On peso Betty and the NPP. That is just reality of the NPP now. What your position at all? Your vice booty. Booty, ya 2 election 2024 year. Obia no tie booty. Ya me dey call radio so hot FM say. One day we jam kra na wo hu dey executive so obia to one mo. Aje ka tan we. Ti 17 train ho ano sabem. Wo yi booty free o ha na o. Buga. Next president Obama chair party no. Ansa na obenya ayi. Ana Kennedy Agyapong say ye bie ni tiri so Obia so ni mu a no wa yere de ope. The 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong no ko hwe mu those days no. NPP before budget so abra no ye sa nyoma. But I don't know say on your presidential day material. And until no use why they against it. But if you say whoever was in Bawumia's camp or my Adwoa Safo Ken Agyapong can say no waha campaign because me Kennedy I'll play the emotional card. First of all, say my Adwoa Safo Ken you know the campaign ama Kennedy. A pure campaign. Now many Kennedy go for na me boss baby am ko bi am bo. Esa say it's about me but it say Ivan say me no. Politicians and just say yeah what the difference between public good and public interest and private interest. When you be a politician what dey nyira say ade obeya mo man nyira woto no enya nipekuo bi na hwa atwenya obabesi awutu se Kennedy ba benya eya onye family and friends and say wo partners akwa we ono family and friends or a principal and until ono Adwoa Safo no enya position that tells me say Akufo Addo na dan for pa ni Adwoa Safo to man position. Yes, it's true. Because abra no ye gender minister na wo di sanse mu ye tumi enya president ogina na so ma me ja position no kotena baabi na Akufo Addo ni Bawumia to no bobo mutin kwa na I'm saying what is going on to the extent say we abandon the people of Dobi want to yan truck kata ba kokra kan chom say me nuanom me na me so moye somfo na ebia me ho dodo me ne yi me wa America wan tumi aka obe wan se owo TikTok so na o sa kire wo yi ahi a kire se ono o live good life o America and yet it was the new patriotic party ankasa as a party echo parliament say I'm referring to my privilege competition and declare domicile to vacant. Speaker Babin in the same situation man say you found preliminary parliament of the whole in yanko toaba e ho na MP before the twin wo ana mu nyina mu twa ball Adwoa Safo omu nyina twa ball na okunu ko kan bia ana say o ma papa ka kan bia and the wu yusu atia o ma papa mi wa wo nkofo Bawumia side a chairman sa ka bitia no kama di ka bitia no another breaker bitiano omunya Bawumia sai ade na wonyu so anu ankasa ni jimi support Bawumia it means say enye no kura mu ntina wo so de na mo hu say Bawumia is so weak mo betunya manipulate no na oba wasesa positions na dey ama mo nyesa nkwara sembo ye enya dia campaign ko fu mi no bi wo Bawumia sai da me say omu campaign say Kennedy omu nye serious ntia ka omu message nkwa na mebo ba ko no Ponkroma or no share yenim or launch book be catch as a politics there. We get what interest. And this is how now we campaign no. Delegates no go down when more some tears yes asema obeka chem do ni interest or card down. Short yes. And don't kwa gina so a obi enu ho a obeto abama. But eye biribi penny ni fi. Office penny wo fi pa yai obeye de omoye. And abronye fa obehoro na Kennedy Forson so ato Brian so alongside Brian no so to Brian crowd was say tomatoes obi ye do ko tomatoes a etinsuo ye do ko dwa so a this year to tese basa reference to Bawumia pani bi ani na no a ayi
otchere ade so mpese obi a ade
marafaka kasa aye free for na the rate omo pese party ni sentem no na mo me no makasa 31st but time say dey ko wan he enu esa say obia ye hotel na omo to servus and ye boa no ti omo wie ni nyira ne aboa ne asati playback and now playback mo no musu say na ade na okeka we ba mo na mo ye de mo ka ti penini and no Anna the doctor na me ati ase say at the national executive committee level omuka so be top down approach no owura Akufo de na no kotum dia bronye mo de ye no and I no di groma na owura Akufo be ka kire say One is the party on Gobi.
Yeah.
And so the way my election time made was a fish rubber down the catcher said, Bawumia, man of destiny. And no, I am a hamu. Sort yes. And you take up any or more. Ah, Omubuna, and also move woman. Edu Samre, where 2 money, where 2 money. Remember, say, Chebiana party, Nankasa issue directive said, Wa, Ube Casabet, the whole two. That's my next computer. Penny Benum. All free for all. Free for all. Ah, Kennedy no, so I said, was say. So about 2 abandon or Major Bill food. We make me a casa. I don't know. A sanity, a party be a Abegubia, no friend of a son, CVP, we 2 months, we know we 2 months, we know we are 2 hours, 2 men, and another brass bar. We should be drew. Now, a drew we are unknown, say, Sana, a we are city. Matters as about me as over my day.
Welfare database.
You see, Sa grow in your dear choke for the blade.
Aye. 1 question, 1 bus.
Now, on no quad, you yeah, then 1 way you dangerous. Now, if you say, or see, you to be question, no say, would to me say that betray your buses, no say that you peer.
What's what they have free port to your.
Ah, Freddy, what's me one back? What to be decided you will be together? Now, what my delegates are called to a bar. You will have a buses now in our system. Yeah, who bought you? And the Omasako package. Omubi ye. Wow, what to obey then now, Rabba Bawumia. Abba say, yes, you can, or many years ago, the brother was a party. How do you have it? But what can't obey young Confoso a bejedi. So, you are nothing and ma, also Papa in the Paboni. My wife didn't in Yaduma. I didn't doubt him, no, or people of the car, some chewa, but chewa, not quite that gentleman means are summer walking, a better den. That is the only way our politicians before serious. Now, what do you carry on offer? You carry on offer. So, Papa, so bad, obey loans. Obey say, on to me, you. Abra, obenya, Quenya said, was set or your vice president, or almost 4 billion. And then also the course of NAPO. May my track or right information say, or moon produce the list of that 100,000 names now. The Cobwa. No, my for the Boga Kweku Agyarko, which is Kennedy. So much is Kennedy. One to me, who said, Sassika put you in a ban in Semro, where the baby Numa, Amma, and go for my MP before Nankasa Crane, was what where we university, where we polytechnica, or be a could hostel fee bears a 5,000 semester. Or brand new many papa brush and school was over man a Duma, Nabosum, what 700 cities. Not Bawumia and the Krama of your crown, that be an emerald 700 cities a month. Yan mini pound. Sanko when you also during their time. Omuko university no na ye omu de free omu di free on kwade etu mo omu chicken na omu say chicken na donso na omu demu room omu demu party tutu omu bre so edan ni bi ni ho emaburu ne bre edan yom kwako demu no je so omu ko tua abode ntia ntia ma mayo ne bi ebo ba sibra or various campuses enyen kofo yi wa betina house aba bedada omu say wudi no bebro obemo musika e ma na kwako fa no I have an okofano. One who only more be a mamma. But Nina and Sekosi and Kosikoda 5 year Kwaku contest by transforming. And now I have a K. Yanka or no so I so can some cry, yeah. A told the beer toss and the Kwabena. And so, honestly, in Semunia Day, Obi and Kojo Kyeremanteng, say General Secretary, do a trauma, and Akufo Addo 2x4 fully up on the first. General Secretary, Pam will not flag or bell call salmon. You don't have to waste your time. Oh, to us here. Bro, fuck a CNN, Kwabena. Say what was a General Secretary, and you are the Chief Executive of the party. Yeah. No, what you have trauma, and Akufo the way you were so. Ah! Wo nipa na to abama wo wetumi mobilize yeah problem na dey also flag bearer of the party anyway on be ho ne certainty horo adutun di baby minim ye o hye ne nkom o hye me dey am yan so be hu no mo sa ko campaign no ko afi obo adi o so ko so agofo be didi
transportation
so oye Brian so di baby nano kwade ka hotel ye ni ambra ka kofa So say Kennedy so perfect. We have Your Excellency Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia or President Bawumia. Hey, was we serious so. I don't do one yet. So far campaign no bia nwa mo ya edi nkranhye eyede eba na omugre fi say as we speak party nankasa wo only 87 members of parliament. So that is the strength of the party. Now the world should be a confidence in 2028 ombe win election between some kama boko. That just a sa boko no ye wo boko ba ku mienu sika hye ayi asibeni awari se no mo ne nam krom wa da so chele. So na se asibeni awari ngwa krampo die ni a if more or less divide busa on say send wo Ken Ofori Atta e wo mo papa na o man peni na nkasa Akufo Addo ure fi dia lista Matthias kan adonti ya sa na beye na sa na bisie enya dia bibi pa bi be free Nazareth aba attendidie no will continue see am say Ken mo side so prepare say or mo be deal with in fact master kra the mete say allested ya me nua allested aka fa Adwoa Safo kra the asefem oh Alex chase se ade enyanyanyan baby oboduru de ehu ehu na ni nyina sa na tie eduabo o mu be za wo mu hu omo no esan se omo ye se omo mfa nokre enye enya adwuma eno tire obi akeka bo nti obi a prepare obi a ye na fam de se na be ye begu ntem na ye be hye omo krane se omo nyema ne nyentem na enye fe na omo wi a ye ne ye be select wa se de adwomo United Party ye obi a ne be gine wo on to me fa wa o se hunu no e ba be share party musa e ba be
All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.